Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra 3.15. First sum, a garment shop announces a flat 50% discount on every purchase of items for their customers. Draw the graph for the relation between the marked price and the discount price. Hence find the marked price when a customer gets a discount of rupees 3250 from the graph and the discount when the marked price is 2500. So these things we are asked to plot it in the graph sheet. So let x be the marked price and y be the marked price and y be the discount percentage. Y be the discount percentage. So, in a tabular column, when we are finding x and y. So, x is the marked price and y is the discount percentage. Y is the discount percentage. Okay. So, we will take the marked price and accordingly we will calculate the discount percentage, that is 50% discount. So, if we are taking the marked price as 500, 50% of this 500 will be 250. 50% of marked price, that is 500. So, 50 by 100 into 500. When we simplify this, we will get 250. Then, if we take the marked price as 1000. So, 1000 by 50%. So, 50 by 100 into 1000. So, when we simplify this, we will get this as 500. Then the next one is 1500. So, 1500, 50%, 50 by 100. When we simplify this, we get 750. So, now if we plot this x, we will take x-axis as 500, 1000 and 1500. Y-axis as 250, 500 and 750 and plot this in the graph sheet. Then after plotting, we will get the answer for these two questions given. Okay. So, now we will do these things in the graph sheet. Now, x-axis, we will take the mark price. 1 centimeter is equal to 500 units. So, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500 till 7500 I am marked here in the x-axis. And in y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 250 units I have marked. So, 250, 500, 750, 1000 till 3250 I have marked. So, first one is to be plotted is marked, if marked price is 500, then the discount percentage is 250. So, I will get it here, common point, x-axis and y-axis point. Then the second one is 1500. I will get it here. Then the third one is 1500 and 750. So, when I extend this, so this is the graph for the relation between the marked price and the discount percentage. So, this is the graph I will get. Two more questions were asked. After drawing the graph, we are asked to find out two more things. One is the marked price. We are asked to find when the customer gets a discount of 3250. So, if the customer is getting a discount of 3250, that is this point, then how much will be the marked price? So, he will get a marked price of 6500. So, if discount is rupees 3250, then his marked price is rupees 6500. So, this is the answer for the first question. So, after plotting the graph, we need to find the answer for this. Then the second one is the discount when the marked price is 2500. So, this is the marked price 2500. So, when I mark it here, the discount is 1250. 50. So I have to extend the line here. So this is 1250. So the second one is if the discount is 1250, then the marked price is 2500. Actually, this is the question. If the marked price is 2500, then the discount is 1250. So we have given answer for both the questions from the given graph. From the given graph, we have given the answer for the questions. Okay, thank you.